This is the brief on the Halia Private Tours 12-hour island cleanup tour. So this is a really unique voluntourism opportunity in Oahu, and it basically lets you book a massive sunrise to sunset private excursion while unlocking some pretty huge savings just for doing a little bit of good. First, you've got to look at this as a brilliant travel hack. By swapping just 90 minutes of your day for some light community service, like a quick beach cleanup or planting some trees, you automatically knock up to $200 right off the price tag. It literally takes a high-end, you aren't just saving cash here, you're getting total freedom. Because unlike being crammed on some rigid tour bus schedule, this is 100% customizable. You are the one calling the shots on the route. Whether you want to hit the North Shore or check out Pearl Harbor, it's totally up to you. And you can easily tweak the pace on the fly depending on traffic or just your own energy levels. Finally, the logistics are completely hassle-free. They take groups of up to 14 people with simple flat-rate pricing, and they provide absolutely all the gear you need. Oh, and they handle your pickups too, whether you're at a hotel or even coming straight from the airport. It's totally family-friendly and really just eliminates all the headache of planning things out yourself. Basically, it's the absolute most efficient way to maximize your day in Hawaii. You get that exclusive private guide, save a ton of money, and actually leave a positive mark on the island.